radio. Close my eyes and saw our first hello. Then I saw the time we fell in love in each other's arms. I opened my eyes and you were gone. Suddenly I realized how I loved you so. How I can survive without your love. Every time I say goodbye, it's hard to say how I wish you never go away. Everybody, don't say goodbye. Hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. You and I will always be in love forevermore. So leave me with just memories. Oh, all wait for you. I wonder if you recover me. Oh, then I saw the time flooding each other's arms. I opened my eyes and you were gone. Don't say goodbye. It's hard to let go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. You and I always be forevermore. Leave me with just memories. Oh, don't say goodbye. It's hard to let go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. You and I always be forevermore. Even with just memories. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
So, okay, pag hindi ka naliligo, hindi ka kumakanta. Ganun ba yun? So, ibig sabihin, mabango ka kasi parati ka naliligo. I'm sure parati ka kumakanta, Brian. Paamoy nga, sige nga. Eh, bakit natakot ka? Oh, amoy pawis. Sige, Brian, may request ako. Alam mo, siguro naman alam mo, Brian, meron akong isang duet with freestyle. Alam mo ba yun? Alam mo ba yung duet na yun? Sana alam mo, kung hindi pabababain kita, Brian. Sobrang favorite yan. Kung makakanta mo to, asan si Luisa? Luisa, pag nakanta to ni Brian, kailangan may ticket siya sa show ni Sammy. Ayan. Sige, galingan mo, Brian. Palakpakan naman po natin si Brian. Mrs. Ayan.
Bakit ngayon? Meron na ba?
Sana'y malaman ko na narating ka sa buhay ko. Di sila
sige.
Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon ka na
Joy.
Ang ganda mo.
Talaga? Ikaw naman nagsasabi ka ng totoo.
Oo,
Sure.
hindi ako sinungaling.
Okay, sige. Sige. Ito ang first question. Sino ang nagdala? Ayan, ako, alam na alam nito. Sino ang nagdala sa akin dito sa Barrio Fiesta? Ayan.
Casey Cargo.
And
Welcome.
WorldCom Japan.
Welcome to...
Very good. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. Ayan. Meron kang dalawang ticket para sa show ni Sarah and of course my CD with Martin. Ayan.
Yata!
Yeah! Ayan. Thank you very much. Pa-picture tayo. Asan ang camera mo? Please tell the truth. Grabe. Ayan. Picture tayo. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ayan. Our third question. Dito naman po